knocking on my door. Oh, you're early. Come on, right on. Okay. Hey everybody, so I'm coming here today a little different. I'm starting this new series for me. It's basically just gonna be like a lifestyle series. I just have a lot of lifestyle changes to make myself and it's just always fun to just bring that on YouTube and share it with my viewers and everything, and I just really want to have some fun with it. So if you don't know, I recently changed places. I used to have a 1-bedroom apartment and now I have a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's a little adjustment because I have one room that I do pretty much nothing in, and then I have another room that I do everything in, and I'm just trying to, you know, clean up the space and utilize the other room to make it like a studio. Behind me I have nothing in here but a light and my computer over there, and that's pretty much it. In the drawers, like I have like makeup and hair stuff in these drawers, in a mirror, my mannequin head, but other than that, the actual space I don't really use, and I'm just trying to change that because I think like things can be more efficient if I just use my space properly. So anyways, now that we're done with all of that blabber, I'm just gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Meijer, which is basically like a Walmart, grocery store, department store, Target. It's basically like that. Pick out some things to try to make this room into the beauty room that I know it can be. And I'm a broke college student. I really am. So this is going to be fun because I'm going to try to find some affordable things that I can use to make this room more glamorous, more cool, and a more fun place to be in. Let's just go find some stuff and pick out some things to make this room MTV crib style. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I have the stuff and I'm gonna try, you know, some things I bought like for the room, but a lot of things, well, not a lot of things, but I have things here that can come in here too. So I'm just gonna do like a whole makeover, and yeah. So this is extreme room makeover. Not that extreme, but it's something. So I'm going to be back with the reveal. Hello people, so still working on the room. I'm almost done and it is almost time for the big reveal. We've been at it for about 2 hours, I'd say. I just watched this Australian YouTuber. I don't know, I was really intrigued by her accent. But yeah, almost done, so BRB. Knocking on my door. Oh, you're early. We were waiting for you.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet, and you won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal.
I did all this like organizing and rearranging and adding things in yesterday, and I bought a few things to make the place more warm and more roomly. Full filming room, and it was very inexpensive to get it like this. So I'm just going to talk about some of the assets that I added to the place. So I got this chalkboard, and it's like a chalkboard, and on the other side it's a whiteboard. So, you know, you can just write things on either side. And I just really like the chalk because it's really classic and old school, and it just reminds me of, you know, elementary school and everything. And then I got this, well, I already had these, but I just didn't have them in here. I had them somewhere else. And yeah, Maya Angelou, Phenomenal Woman. It's just a good reminder that I'm phenomenal, and I really love the poems in there. And then this is just significant to like my you know, love for makeup and eyeshadows. Those are Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. That's not all the palettes I have, but they're some of my favorites. And then this cabinet shelf that I got yesterday, it cost about 15 bucks, and I put it together kind of wrong, you know, because like this is supposed to be white, that's supposed to be white, this is supposed to be white. I had flipped it the wrong way, and then I didn't notice it until I was finished, and I screwed those screws in tight. So I was like, I'm not going back. But yeah, and this is me. It's one of my favorite pictures that I've ever taken, and I just got this really cheap frame from Meijer, and it was 99¢, and I just put my picture in there because when I shoot my videos, I want my picture to be in my background, because this area is blank because I'll be sitting here when I record and you'll just see like all of this. Clothing rack from Aldi food store. Well, they sell everything really, and it was only $9.99, and down the line I think I'll get another one because that's the cheapest that I've seen for this, because at Meijer it was $20, and I was like, no, I'm not getting another one, because I thought about getting another one because I'm going to have more clothes coming in soon, and I was just like, it could wait. This mirror, I have another one, but I got another one just for this room. This mirror was $5.99, and it's so lightweight. I got it from Meijer, and it's just so like clear, easy to clean, lightweight, and it's just great for like looking at yourself, looking at your outfit, anything you want to do. Fake plant from Meijer. It was like, how much was it? It was $6.99 or $5.99, one of those. And you know, I just really thought it was cute. Just have like a nice little accent cactus, and cacti, they really symbolize like survival because they live in the most arid conditions, yet they fight through, like they stay with it. And I just want to be like that as a person, like even when I'm in like the most rough times of life, even when I'm in like, you know, the most dry areas, whether it's mentally or really physically, like I want to be a survivor, and cacti, they really symbolize that. So that's just why I got it, and it's just like a nice little piece for my windowsill. This is me and my dad. It's Father's Day. That's me. It's so old. That's me, and that's my daddy back in Detroit, which is where I'm from. And then table. Still more like, this is more like God themed again, because it says God said he'll prepare a table for us in front of our enemies, our adversaries, in front of, you know, all those who are against us. And I just really need to remember that sometimes, because man, I get so caught up in my head about just like, I'm not a drama filled person, but drama comes, and when it comes, I'm not always like the best to deal with it. But, or even with myself, like when I struggle mentally with myself, when I'm fighting myself and like the devil's trying to get to me, I'm just like, God said he'll prepare a table. Or even like if I feel like no one's supporting me and they're not, I'm like, God said he'll prepare a table. So it just really helps me remember, like, he'll prepare a table if I just do my part and just be good, be humble, and just keep trying to be better, you know, then I have nothing to worry about. So I really wanted to do this because, like, for one, I don't have much, like, I don't really have much furniture because I'm just not a furniture person, and also I just never been a decorator, and also like I don't have like a whole bunch of money. Like I'm not rich or close, you know. I'm a college student, and even as a college student, like I'm broke. Like I'm broke for a broke college student. And that sounds funny, but it's true. I'm broke for a broke person. Like a broke person be like, dang, you broke. That's me. But I really just wanted to show, like, if you want to change your rooms or change like your life around, or like try something new, you don't have to be exquisite, you don't have to be extravagant, because if you don't have it, you don't have it, and you don't have to fake something that you don't have. But I just feel like it's just good to stay in your own lane and just like kind of tap into your own creativity, which is what I try to do here. Also, like, just growing up and seeing those extreme home makeover shows, oh my goodness, like, I love them. I love them so much, because in Detroit, where I'm from, you know, we just, you know, most of my life there, we stayed in an apartment, me and my 2 sisters and my mom, and yeah, we just stayed in an apartment. And like before I moved, when I grew up, when I was like 12, before I moved, we moved in a house finally. And it just kind of showed me like life has its levels, you know. And I would always watch those extreme makeover shows, like one day I want a house like that, or like maybe one day they'll come to our house and make over our house. I don't know, just thinking like that, like not in a negative way, but just like one day, like, it's possible to like get out of this situation. And this sounds like so deep, but this is serious though, because where you live is like it's your home, you know, and everything starts at home. Whether you live alone or you have family or a partner or a pet, everything starts at home. And it's really up to you to make your home yours, and it's really up to you to make your home comfortable. And I haven't been doing that ever since like ever since I started living alone in my own apartment. I just kind of been floating by, and a lot of my mood like swings and like depression, like I'm not clinically depressed, but just, you know, the mood of depression, all of that stuff, all the attitudes, a lot of it just stems from me being in here and just like by myself and just like not really happy with my surroundings. I wasn't thinking about it, but I realized like, okay, this is kind of what's happening, and it just really made sense to me to just try to step out and do something new. And I just really wanted to record it and show you guys the process, because you saw this room before now, it was not popping at all, and I just really wanted to do something. So this is what I did. So from now on, you'll see my videos, like, well, most of my videos, majority of like my makeup, fashion, chit chat, talks, whatever, in here. Yeah, and I just really hope like you guys really enjoy this video, and that you're inspired to just kind of, you know, decorate your own house, or step up your own house game, room game, whatever, game. I really hope so, because it's really like, it's not like the most important thing, but it kind of is, you know, because home is where the heart is. And with that, that's all I have to say. I still don't have an outro, but it's cool, it's coming. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. What do you want to see next? The Q&A is coming up. A lot of you guys like sent me questions, and that was like 2 weeks ago. So the Q&A is coming. Yeah, I just had to work out some kinks, and it's coming. So all the, you know, chit chat talks you want to know about me, everything is coming. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And if you hurt